Welcome to all the children of class 12 for the first topic of the academic year 2021-22. Dear children, you have only 3 poems. My Mother at 66, an elementary school classroom in a slum, and Keeping Quiet. In that today we are seeing the first poem, My Mother at 66. My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das. This poem, the theme or this idea of this poem expresses a deep bond between the poetess Kamala Das and her mother. Mother, 66 years old, but Kamala Das was so much attached to her. So she has written in the form of poem, My Mother at 66. You can imagine how a lady would be at the age of 66. And Kamala Das is not a small girl, a grown-up lady. But even then, she wants to live with her mother only all the time. So let us imagine, we are seeing, let us imagine a lady of 66. How a lady of 66 will be? White hair, weak, wrinkled, pale, weak, like that of a corpse, dose, but she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind anything. She, for her mother is everything, and she wants to stay with her mother always. Remember, in childhood, children will not allow mother to go away. Wherever mother goes, they will also follow. So, like that, childhood fear, familiar ache. What is a familiar ache? Departing from mother, leaving, parting from mother. So, she wants to stay only with mother. So, that is what this beautiful poem. I just read once the poem. My mother at 66, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, dose, open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. But soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting and the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Beautiful poem, simple poem. So let us see. Already I told you, the theme is, the key idea is bond between mother and daughter. Kamala Das, a fine daughter, very fine daughter who had so much love for mother. We find deep love, immense love between mother and daughter. She longs we know very well, wants to be with her mother always, not ready to leave her mother. And wonderful girl, she was hiding everything. Negative thoughts are there, but she was hiding everything, smiling and smiling. She wants mother should be happy. She was passing only positive thoughts to her mother, tries to make her mother happy. So already told you, even though mother is weak, dull, sleepy, she doesn't find anything. Everything is thin where love is thick. Since she was full of love for mother, doesn't mind the physical appearance of her mother. One day, this Kamala was moving to Cochin with her mother. They were sitting side by side. She saw her mother. Mother, what is the condition of mother? Old, dose, sleepy, open mouthed, teethless, her face ashen like that of a corpse. Like that of a corpse, no briskness, not active, not charming, but he doesn't mind. So when she saw that negative thoughts came, what is the negative thought? My mother is old, she might die, but she was not ready to accept that idea. She started to look at positive things, trees and young children, merry children coming out of their homes. Because these are all embodiment of happiness, trees and children. Again she reached the airport, again had a look at the mother after a security check. Mother, when pale, dry, not that much, pale as a late winter's moon. Winter's moon will be ineffective, powerless. So like that mother. So the childhood fear, what is the childhood fear? Parting from mother. She remembered that old familiar ache, old familiar pain of parting from mother. Childhood fear came, but she brushed aside all those negative ideas and she was smiling. But these thoughts in her mind, but she concealed everything, she was hiding everything, and she smiled and smiled and smiled, showing only happiness to her mother. And she said, "See you soon, Amma." Amma is nothing but mother. Mother, she told, "I will come back and see you again." So again she wants to live for a long time permanently with her mother. Loving daughter. Loving daughter. So wonderful daughter. Fine mother. Mother has done so much for her daughter Kamala Das, that is why unable to think of separation. Fine mother, loving daughter. So that is what last word. See you soon, Amma. See you soon, Amma. So that is what this we find. So let us see so what is the gist of the poem? We find deep love between mother and daughter. Even though mother has become very old at the age of 66 and daughter is not seeing anything, she wants to stay with her mother always. And she hides all the negative things and she wants to make her happy only. She was smiling and smiling. So that is what this fine poem. And some poetic devices, figure of speech we call. In cricket we say straight drive, boundary, straight drive, square cut. So like that poem also has some techniques. Simile is direct comparison. What this metaphor, indirect, explicit, implicit. Explicit, clear, because we will find the words like, as. But metaphor, implicit, it has to be understood. He is a stone. Actually he is not a stone, he is like a stone. When we say he is like a stone, it is simile. When we say he is a stone, that is metaphor. So simile, because in the poem some words, some lines are coming. Face ashen like that of a corpse. Face ashen like that of a corpse. So this is simile. Mother, pale as a late winter's moon. See this word as, these are all indicating simile. Because 2-3 lines will be given and you will be asked which figure of speech is used in the poem, or tell the poetic device. Just one word, one mark. You have to write simile or metaphor. When the comparison is direct, we can say simile. When the comparison is indirect, it is called metaphor. Personification. Personification is nothing but giving human qualities to other things. Trees cannot run, human beings can run. So trees printing, it is personification. Repetition, for effect, for emphasis. Smiling and smiling, 3 times the words are repeated to show the emphasis. So she was making her mother, trying to make her mother happy and normal. Metaphor, nothing. Children spilling, some item, liquid will spill, but here children spilling. So this is a metaphor. So these are the things. So I like to sum up, children. So this poem is expressing the deep love between mother and daughter. Dear children, let us have a look at these questions. This will strengthen our understanding of the poem. First question, what is the theme of the poem? Deep love between Kamala Das and her mother is the theme of the poem. Question number 2, how was her mother? Already we know her mother was 66, doze, sleepy, open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse, grey color, not brisk or charming, wan, pale as a late winter's moon. This was her physical appearance. What are the fine traits of Kamala Das? Traits, nothing but qualities, aspects. She wanted to live here with her mother always, not ready to part her mother at any stage. Number 2, she was smiling and smiling. She smiled and smiled and smiled to make her mother happy, because she wants only the happiness to her mother. She was so much concerned about her mother. Fine qualities. Never thought old lady burden like that. Next one, what are the poetic devices used at this poem? 4 poetic devices: metaphor, simile, personification and repetition. So kindly go through the poem and try to become thorough. Please check the description box for the notes of this fine poem. Thank you, children.